Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Rome. Italian and Latin, Roma, pronounced as the capital city of Italy. It is also the capital of the Lazio region, the center of the metropolitan city of Rome capital, and a special municipality, named Comune di Roma Capitale. With 2,860,009 residents in 1,285 square kilometers, 496.1 square miles, Rome is the country's most populated commune and the third most populous city in the European Union by population within city limits. The metropolitan city of Rome, with a population of 4,355,725 residents, is the most populous metropolitan city in Italy. Its metropolitan area is the third most populous within Italy. Rome is located in the central western portion of the Italian peninsula, within Lazio, Latium, along the shores of the Tiber Valley. Vatican City, the smallest country in the world and headquarters of the worldwide Catholic Church under the governance of the Holy See, is an independent country inside the city boundaries of Rome. The only existing example of a country within a city. Rome is often referred to as the City of Seven Hills due to its geographic location, and also as the Eternal City. Rome is generally considered to be the cradle of Western civilization and Western Christian culture, and the center of the Catholic Church. Rome's history spans 28 centuries. While Roman mythology dates the founding of Rome at around 753 BC, the site has been inhabited for much longer, making it a major human settlement for over 3 millennia and one of the oldest continuously occupied cities in Europe. The city's early population originated from a mix of Latins, Etruscans, and Sabines. Eventually, the city successively became the capital of the Roman Kingdom, the Roman Republic and the Roman Empire, and is regarded by many as the first ever imperial city and metropolis. It was first called the Eternal City by the Roman poet Tibullus in the 1st century BC, and the expression was also taken up by Ovid, Virgil, and Livy. Rome is also called Caput Mundi. After the fall of the empire in the west, which marked the beginning of the Middle Ages, Rome slowly fell under the political control of the papacy, and in the 8th century, it became the capital of the Papal States, which lasted until 1870. Beginning with the Renaissance, almost all popes since Nicholas V, 1447 to 1455, pursued a coherent architectural and urban program over 400 years, aimed at making the city the artistic and cultural center of the world. In this way, Rome first became one of the major centers of the Renaissance and then became the birthplace of both the Baroque style and Neoclassicism. Famous artists, painters, sculptors, and architects made Rome the center of their activity, creating masterpieces throughout the city. Rome was the 14th most visited city in the world, with 8.6 million tourists, the third most visited city in the European Union, and the most popular tourist destination in Italy. Its historic center is listed by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. The host city for the 1960 Summer Olympics, Rome is also the seat of several specialized agencies of the United Nations, such as the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, the World Food Programme, WFP, and the International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD. The city also hosts the Secretariat of the Parliamentary Assembly of the Union for the Mediterranean as well as the headquarters of many multinational companies. Numerous companies are based within Rome's Euro Business District, luxury fashion house Fendi, located in the Palazzo della Civiltà Italiana. The presence of renowned international brands like Fashion and Design, and the Cinecittà Studios have been the set of many Academy Award-winning movies. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.